So this is the unboxing of my GoPro Hero 2018 version. I just purchased this product from Amazon.in and let's see. So in this part I have just fast forwarded this part because the packing was really good, There was a lot of bubble wrap and the product was tightly sealed by it, so it took a lot of time for me to open it. As you can see the struggle which I did to open it. But unfortunately, once I opened it, you will be able to see what happened. At initial glance, the product looked fine. The plastic was wrapped nicely around its body. Everything looked new. There is the GoPro Hero branding. But then, as I turned around, I was able to see that this is not the normal GoPro box, because I have seen a lot of friends owning a GoPro and this is not the same GoPro box. So let's cut this plastic and open the GoPro. Again, I am fast forwarding this part, as you can see. So basically, Amazon is a trustworthy place, but always remember to purchase from Prime, because Prime has an assurity that you will get a new product. So now let's come to the unboxing. As you can see, there is a GoPro sticker instead of a seal. Let's open it. Let's turn on the flash for your visibility. Now let's try to open. See, you can see it's tightly stuck sticker, but there is no seal. That means it was open first. Let's try again. Let's remove the product. As because this is a live unboxing, no one can claim that this product was open initially and then it has been sealed. But let's the truth. I got a refurbished product from Amazon. Actually not Amazon. Actually the third party seller who was selling this product on Amazon. Let's open this. Now as I was removing it, I could see some fingerprint on the lens. And behind there is no screen guard which normally stays in a brand new GoPro Hero 5. There is no such sticker, fingerprint on the lens. Clearly proves I got a refurbished product. Refurbished GoPro Hero 2018 launched in March. I don't know you will be able to see this on the screen, but there is fingerprints. The accessories seem to be fine, but wait, the battery is not covered. Oh god. Let's stop this video. The used product.